Hi, welcome back to Murali's World of Physics. The famous English poet John Keats said in one of his poems that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. I would rather say that a thing of symmetry is a joy forever, implying thereby that symmetry and beauty go hand in hand. In this first video of the series of videos that I am proposing to show in my channel, I would like to discuss in some detail about symmetries in nature and in physics. In simple terms, symmetry is that property of physical objects or systems whereby one half of that object or system is exactly identical to the other half. Also, when a particular object is viewed from a particular orientation, it looks exactly similar to what it appears when viewed from an entirely different orientation. Symmetry is actually a balanced and a proportionate similarity between the two halves of the same object, the two halves being exactly identical in shape and size. Symmetry, I would say, is the very soul of nature itself. Many of the things in nature are inherently symmetric. Also, symmetry appeals most to the human mind, and therefore man tends to make things symmetric as far as possible. Also, symmetric things are more easily described in mathematical terms. We will first consider symmetries in nature and then examine the symmetries in physics. Look at the heavens. Most of the heavenly bodies that we can see with our bare eyes or by looking through the telescope or by some other means. The hot blazing sun, the earth on which we live, the various planets in our solar system, and of course the trillions and trillions of stars which occupy the vast expanses of the universe are in fact spherical in shape. The sphere, I would say, is the most perfect symmetric shape of all.
Coming down to the earth on which we live, the examples of natural symmetry are numerous.
The Carlsbad Caverns in the city of Carlsbad in New Mexico in the United States is a very deep and vast underground cave which contain a very large number, in fact thousands and thousands of natural structures and formations made out of calcium carbonate, that is limestone, and calcium sulfate, that is gypsum. These are minerals. Now some of these formations which have been formed as a result of natural phenomena over millions of years exhibit very beautiful symmetric shapes.
The animals and the birds, the flowers and the leaves.
These are examples of natural objects which exhibit striking symmetry.
Symmetry of the human body is very remarkable. There is a famous drawing by Leonardo da Vinci about the perfect symmetry and proportions of the human body shape.
Now we will consider the symmetry of the human face. I hope by now nobody will be failing to recognize this face. It's none other than me. Now I will just copy this image and paste it and then keep it separately on the right side like this. I'll divide this into two equal halves along a vertical line through the center of this image, and I'll keep the two portions separately. Now I will take the left side portion, copy that, paste it, and then I will keep it here. Again paste it, and then mirror that image in a horizontal direction like this. Now I will join these two portions. What do I see? Look at these two images. This is the original image. This is the left side portion of that image joined with its own mirrored portion. So we get exactly identical image. Now I will do the same thing for the right hand side portion of that original image. Copy, paste, keep it here, again paste the same thing, and then mirror it horizontally, and then join with this portion. Wow, I again get back the same image. All these three images are identical. That is the symmetry of the human face.
Snowflakes form another example for natural symmetry. These actually are formed when water vapor travels through the air and condenses on a particle. These are beautifully and symmetrically shaped ice crystals.
Fascinated and encouraged by the natural symmetries, man very often tends to make things symmetric, even unknowingly sometimes. We have any number of examples in the form of architectural wonders, monuments, religious structures, automobiles, and a host of others. For example, the Taj Mahal is a very wonderful piece of architecture which is symmetric. The Eiffel Tower in Paris, Hindu temples, buildings for residence or official purposes, vehicles, etc. Even many of the letters of the English alphabet have definite symmetries. A kaleidoscope is a toy consisting of a tube containing mirrors and pieces of colored glass or paper, whose reflections produce beautiful changing symmetric patterns when the tube is rotated. All the above examples illustrate the inherent tendency in the human mind to get attracted towards things of symmetry. It's now time for me to end this video here. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, kindly do it now. And please remember to click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications in future about my upcoming videos. With this is Professor Muralidhara Vaidya signing off from Murali's World of Physics, with the promise that I will be back with my next video wherein we will discuss symmetries in physics and the role of mathematics in symmetry. Till then, goodbye.